Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
We need to know how to choose the perfect TV unit for the living room. Modern TV units have become pieces that enhance the value of the room and add a touch of beauty and elegance. Therefore, we set the following criteria for choosing the best TV unit for the room. Determine the space. The space allocated for the unit must be accurately measured and the dimensions measured to ensure the unit is positioned correctly. Choose the right type. There are many types of TV units, including modern units, corner units, built-in units, and others. Therefore, you must choose the type of unit that suits the room's decor, meets your needs, and matches your personal taste. Interior design. Determine the interior design style you desire for your TV units, such as the number of shelves and drawers. You can also choose adjustable shelves for better screen control. Choose materials. Modern TV units are made of high-quality materials that are durable and easy to clean. Determine your budget. Consider the budget allocated for purchasing a TV unit so you can choose the right type. The most common colors for modern TV units. Modern TV units come in a variety of colors to suit all tastes and complement the decor. Some of these include white. This color complements many decors, including small spaces, as it creates a sense of spaciousness and adds a very elegant, modern touch. Black. A color that conveys luxury and elegance, it fits modern decors, but is best used in large spaces. Gray. A neutral color that has recently become increasingly popular, it complements various decors and adds a touch of elegance and beauty. Natural wood. Adds a touch of warmth and nature to a room. It complements many decors and is long-lasting. Bright colors, such as pink, red, yellow, and other colors add a wonderful aesthetic touch to the living room. To achieve modern TV units that blend in with the room's decor, follow these tips. Choosing the right size. Before purchasing a TV unit, measure the available space in the room and choose a TV unit size that matches the room's size and overall decor. Colors. Make sure to choose the colors of the TV units to match the surrounding decor. You can choose a TV unit in a color that matches the colors of the walls or surrounding furniture. Choosing the right design. The design of the TV unit should blend in with the room's interior decor. If your room's decor is modern, you should choose modern TV units, while if it's classic, you should choose a classic TV unit. Choosing high-quality materials. Ensure the TV unit is made of durable, easy-to-clean materials. You can also choose a unit made of natural wood to complement wooden furniture, or choose glass and metal for a modern look. Additional storage. Choose a TV unit that offers multiple storage options, such as shelves or drawers, to help organize space and store items neatly. Determine the location. The TV unit should be positioned to ensure clear viewing of the screen from all corners of the room, and avoid placing it in a location that might cause eye strain. Organize wires. Organize wires and cables well to avoid cable clutter and improve the appearance of your interior decor. You can also use methods such as wall brackets or channels to route wires neatly and hidden. It is considered one of the most important elements of interior design, adding elegance and appeal to a space. TV background designs vary between modern and classic, catering to different tastes and decorative styles. In Jeddah and Makkah, you can rely on a modern TV background decorator who has the experience and skill to implement distinctive designs that meet customer expectations and add an artistic touch to the space. Installing marble and wood-based TV backgrounds in Jeddah is a popular choice that adds luxury and elegance to wall decor. Marble alternatives are characterized by their luxurious appearance, mimicking natural marble, while wood-based alternatives add a sense of warmth and sophistication. TV backgrounds can be designed using these two types of decor to suit all tastes. For example, marble-based TV backgrounds can be chosen to add a modern and luxurious touch, while wood-based TV backgrounds can be used to create a warm and natural atmosphere. When looking for a TV background decorator in Jeddah, it is important to choose someone with extensive experience and high skills in installing and implementing decorative designs. A professional interior designer can provide inspiring TV decor images to help clients choose the right design. They ensure the precise and expert installation of gypsum board TV wall panels in Jeddah creates a stylish and harmonious space. Plasma screen installation in Jeddah and Makkah is one of the most sought-after services, as many people prefer to enhance the appearance of their TV wall to make it more attractive and harmonious with other interior decor elements. You can support us by liking and subscribing to the channel to continue providing content. Good evening, fans of the Decor Pro 2 channel.
Good evening to all followers of Decor Pro 2.